have made a lot of money, but don't forget about me. Now we can hang out. Oh, who? And they better not replace me, I swear. I'm just saying, Mommy. Oh, hi, Mom. A little worried that Bubbles won't like me. Oh, okay, Mom. Thanks again. Who is that? I know she isn't trying to take my place. No, hi, Bubbles. Who is that behind you? And I'm serious. Hello, Bubbles. My name is Nature. Oh, and let me guess. You came to take my place? How dare you? No, it's not like that at all. I promise you. You know what? I don't care. Bye. Mom, I'm sorry. I don't know why she would think this. Do you? Or I'm just losing it. Maybe we can help find her mom. I'll help. Okay, Mommy.
Hey, you all right there, Ivy? What's the matter?
Something wrong? Oh no, that's bad.
No, sorry, dear, I don't believe I have. I'll keep you updated, yeah? I'll let her know you came by here if I do.
Hey, Shane. Thanks for letting me hide in here.
You know that was real scummy of you to have me do that, yeah?
It doesn't matter, Shane. It really doesn't.
You know what? Just for that, I'll let her know you dropped in today.
You had her worried sick. Why would you even run away in the first place? It doesn't add up.
Mind your business, Shane. And if you tell her that I was in here, I swear to God.
Bubbles, I've heard it all before. You know what? Since you're being rude to me now, you can get out. That's right. Go on.
Whatever, Shane. You are an idiot anyway.
Yeah, whatever.
Mom, it's not your fault. Don't be hard on yourself. Trust me, you'll feel better. Finally away from all of them. Now I can finally relax and have time to myself and go for a swim. Yeah, it's about time. Mom, what's that weird and funny sound you keep doing with your voice? It sounds funny, and how are you so good at it? To cheer you up, why don't we go for a walk, Mom, and get rid of all these socks? Maybe we can go to the hot spring also. Do you feel a little bit better, Mom? Time for hot spring. Oh no, it's Mommy. I better hide somewhere. Wait, what is she doing? Oh God, no, I have to swim away. Wait, no, I don't know how to swim fully. Mommy, help me. Please help me. Oh my God. Okay, Mom. Help, MM. Mom, I'm here. Let's go home, please. All I wanted was to get away from you guys for a bit, and when I seen you coming, I jumped in. I know, Mom, I'm sorry. I just didn't want to be near her. Bubbles, that was really messed up to do. You seriously could have drowned. I'm not talking to you, Nature. Shut up. No, Mom, I don't care about her. I don't want her talking to me. This will be so much better if she had sleep outside. Whatever, Bubbles. I don't even want to hear her voice. That's too bad. Shut up, Nature.